How you doing? Okay, it's time for a non-alcoholic freaking cocktail. We're gonna use syrup with pears and apples in it. Orange juice. It's all organic, so it makes it a little better and not like bullshit. This is strawberry, extremely sweet, and will burn your fucking mouth out. And and of course, the good old mustard. Okay, that's the strawberry stuff is already in there. Okay. Power bars over here. I'm gonna put broadcast Nick anyway, so if you get like electrocuted, I don't mind. So stop whining about me about making drinks above power bars. Oh, that's only for the lighting. This is a struggle of the YouTuber. Really? Oh, come on, man. I thought they're just goofing around, but YouTube life is a bitch. Fuck, I have to cut the video, man. I'm too lazy for that. I hate this. Wow. That's amazing. Just amazing. Oh, excuse me. And yeah, if it's way too sweet, you can always have... What the fuck is that? Looks extremely similar to cow blood. Like when a baby gets born. Oh, maybe it's nice. Oh, it's so sweet. Oh, this is for little kids. Oh, this is so sweet. Man. You guys might be cringing right now, but I like a little bit of mustard into the drink. Oh, yes. Oh, it's gonna be freaking... It's gonna be sharp. Terrible! Oh, it makes little things in there. Ah, just delicious. This is salad. And this is meat croissant. I love that kind. Alright. This is playing in the kitchen with Kai. If it's cold out there, get ever slightly to the stovepipe. And if it's warm, keep your dick in the ice. Wow. That's amazing. Just amazing. Oh, excuse me. And yeah, if it's way too sweet, you can always have a little bit of the vinegar poo. I mean the vodkas. Don't use brand bottles, so nobody's going to complain I'm using alcohol on YouTube. That's prohibited. It's getting better. That's not so extremely sweet. So I got a little vodka into it, freaking stovepipe. I got a straight croissant. I love that kind. Stove. Meatloverscroissants.com. Stovepipe. Of course, the test. It's a little hot, but it's still amazing. Oh, that's way too sweet. Maybe it's just sweetener in there. Yeah. The vodka can kill off the sweetness. Ah, finally! The taste of YouTube. And that's how YouTube tastes like. Delicious.